Make a great choice today with the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, MP3 player, passenger airbag, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.